Hey there, road warriors! Welcome back to another video, the ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we've got something truly exciting, the 5 best car dash cams of 2024 that are changing the game on the road. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links down below in the description. So, let's get started. Number 5. Dashcam 1080p 3 channel front inside rear camera. Dashcam 1080p 3 channel front inside rear camera recorder night vision loop recording, G-sensor parking monitor 4-inch touchscreen. 4-inch touchscreen. The high-definition IPS screen helps you check the collision and restore all the details. The touchscreen makes operation easy and convenient. HD 1080p dashcam, equipped with 1080p front camera, 480p cabin camera, and 720pa rear camera. 170° plus 120° point recording degree plus 180 lenses capture all pedestrians and vehicles, providing sufficient evidence for rear-end collisions and bumps. Multi-function reverse camera that assists in reversing and parking, night vision, AGR, motion detection, loop recording, and G-sensor. Loop recording function enables the camera to overwrite the past videos when the memory card is full, while the G-sensor will activate the chip and lock the key videos to avoid being overwritten when a collision occurs. Easy setup. The small-sized dashcam can be hidden behind the rearview mirror to keep the windshield intact. Easy installation with a bracket. Note, the 3-channel means front plus cabin plus rear 3 cameras. The 2-channel means front plus cabin 2 cameras. Number 4. OPM Car DVR 4-inch dashcam. Car driving recorder HD 1080p 24-hour night vision loop recording. With rear cameras 4-inch IPS, aluminum alloy car DVR, 1080p HD imaging, smoother HD video, 4-inch screen display 1080p, clearer details, smooth video picture, clear picture, 170° wide-angle recording, wider field of view, avoid all blind spots in front of the vehicle, achieve large HD viewing angle, larger horizontal size, sharper image, and more details in place. Ultra-clear glass lens group. 6 glass 1080p high-resolution lens, f2.0 aperture. Even in low-light environment can shoot clear and delicate picture quality. Gravity lock function. When the vehicle collides, it will be automatically locked in emergency situations such as sudden braking, and the current important video data will not be lost. Real-time loop recording. The recorder automatically deletes the video unlocked earlier, retains enough memory space, and ensures that the recorder keeps recording new videos. Recording reversing images before and after. The rear recording camera is equipped with a waterproof lens, and the automatic front and rear double recording reversing images are automatically switched, so that beginners can easily reverse into the garage and avoid blind spots in the rear. Number 3. Ricoh Sound Card DVR dash camera. ADAS built-in function. Small size design does not obstruct the driver's view. Built-in micro SD card slot does not occupy Android unit memory. Built-in microphone, support recording sound, easy to install. Connect to the Android unit through the USB People. Cyclic recording support. New recordings will automatically overwrite the oldest recordings when the memory card is full. However, the blocked videos will be sure to be overwritten. Lane departure warning system. Drowsy or distracted driving greatly increases the chance of an accident on the road. The LWs will alert the driver with an English voice when the vehicle goes off lane at a speed over 50 kilometers. ADAS Plus makes driving safer. Advanced driving alarm systems. It is useful alarm systems to keep your driving safer. Forward collision warning system. Accidents can be avoided by maintaining a safe following distance. Road safety warning system calculates the real-time distance between your vehicle and the vehicle in front of you while driving above 30 kilometers in expressways or under 30 kilometers in a busy city, and issues a 3-level early warning in English voice to the driver depending on the danger of collision. Number 2. ASDOM GS 63H dashcam. Drive safe with the new GPS-enabled ASDOM dual-lens dashcam in your car. Crystal clear 4K recording. Experience next-level recording with 4K huge videos at 2880x 2160p. Backed by Novatec ENT 96660 processor and a best-in-class Sony INX 335 ultra-low light capture, 5-megapixel camos. Sensor. The ultra-wide-angle lens allows a 170-degree field of view that easily covers 4 lanes and captures distortion-free images. 24-hour parking monitoring. The built-in 250 mAh Li-ion battery allows up to 24 hours of parking monitoring. Note that the battery is only for parking captures. Connect the camera to an external power source when in use. Super Night Vision. f1.8 wide aperture allows superior images, be it day or night. Proprietary focal length technology facilitated by 6 glass wide-angle lens helps in capturing smaller details like number plates with more accuracy even in low light. Also, with a loop recording facility, you can choose to record videos in loops of 3, 5, and 10 minutes that will be stored on the SD card. It automatically overwrites old videos when memory capacity is exhausted. It also hosts a screensaver, featuring live speed, compass, and time. Smart Accident Monitoring. The built-in G-sensor in ASDOME-COM activates upon impact and records videos of up to 1 minute. The 3-axis impact G-sensor data ensures precise emergency recording of when and where the impact occurred and dockets the file to aid a further investigation. Fully rotatable suction mount. The ASDOME-CAM comes with a 360-degree rotating suction mount with a silicone design. It ensures hassle-free installation and allows all-around video capturing in real time, both on the left and the right side. It shoots every video in 4K with precision, even under ultra-low-light conditions. Number 1. CarDashCam 4-channel driving camera parking monitor. 4-channel driving camera. 1080 PFD DVR camera is composed of a front lens, a left lens, a right lens, and an optional rear lens to cover as many as possible directions when you drive. Night vision and 24H parking monitoring. The cabin camera has an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights. In addition to producing incredibly clear recordings, its image performance will be far superior to that of other driving recorders at night. These 3 cameras also integrate the latest and most sensitive night vision image sensors, so they can capture stunning images even in pitch-black spaces at night, recording 24 hours. Crystal clear image. The 170-degree ultra-wide angle lens and 3-inch large LCD screen of the camera can capture clearer videos even when driving at high speed, allowing you to watch important moments again. The left and right lenses can be rotated independently to record the front and cabin images. Loop recording and G-sensor. Automatically overwrite the past videos when the memory card is full. G-sensor will be activated when there is a collision to lock the key video you need. Built-in Wi-Fi module. Simple and easy to operate. You can view device videos and images in real time through the app. Note, the Wi-Fi function is optional. So, that's for today. If you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more automotive insights. Thank you for watching.